We built an application that can be used to register found pets and assist in the reunion with their owners. It is a React application hosted on S3 and accessible via CloudFront. It can be saved as a progressive web app on Android and iOS devices. For managing user credentials, we used AWS Cognito and Amplify JavaScript libraries. This let us focus on the application and not on authentication. When a user logs in, they're prompted to enter some additional data. This allows them to be contacted to coordinate returning the pet to the owner. To store organization data, we're using AWS AppSync, which gives us a nice GraphQL API for updating and accessing data. We're using Vendia as a store for pet data. Vendia offers a distributed serverless blockchain service that allows easy data sharing between enterprises. We're calling our instance of Vendia's service PetChain. Like our organization's API, PetChain has an easy-to-use GraphQL API for querying or mutating pet data. We're able to click on a pet and view their information. And if we have a lost pet, we're able to add them onto the chain. If a mobile device does not have internet access, we're able to save the pet data locally and commit the pet chain once the internet access is restored.
We often judge an engagement by whether it's been good for the client, good for our people, and good for Slalom. For this engagement, we were 3 for 3. Best Friends now has an alpha version of a return-to-owner application, a progressive web app that allows anyone to submit lost or found pets to PetChain, even if they're temporarily offline. PetChain is built on the resilience and scale of AWS, using Vendia Share to give all participating organizations simple access to the complete ledger and world state of PetChain. Over 5 sprints, our cross-functional delivery team completed over 25 stories, which is more than half of the work required to get to MVP. We also built with a future in mind, leveraging continuous integration and continuous delivery so that those taking the work forward would have a strong foundation to build on. The Slalom team did an amazing job despite the late and sporadic working hours. We were able to collaborate using the tools we've become accustomed to since early in the year. We got hands-on serverless experience thanks to AWS and hands-on blockchain experience thanks to Vendia. If the team dynamics and tech weren't enough to keep us working late, we also had the animals who would find their way back home thanks to our work in our minds as well. By demonstrating how we work and the impact we can have, we made a positive first impression with several new partners. The Best Friends team appreciated our diligence and professionalism. Angie, Brent, and Brad demonstrated why Best Friends is an innovator and a disruptor in the best way possible in the animal welfare community. The AWS team helped us quickly understand the animal welfare ecosystem and the great work Best Friends and other nonprofits do to make a difference in the lives of lost and found pets. Tamara and Paige graciously shared their domain knowledge and first-hand experiences saving animals. The Vendia team let us work with their offering even before it was released. It was a true privilege to partner with Tim and Shruti as they transitioned from stealth mode to full-scale SaaS provider. Definitely keep an eye on Vendia. Good for the client, good for our people, good for Slalom, and good for everyone involved.